Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Nuggets. I am Akanksha and today once again I have a new question for you. This is for finding the position of the element in the periodic table. Friends, we did same type of question earlier also, but the case was different. In the previous question, we have atomic number and by the help of atomic number we guess the position in the periodic table. Now the question, there is a twist in the question. Question is same that we need to find the position in the periodic table, but with the help of outer electronic configuration. So let's see the question and start it. Question is, assign the position and atomic number of the element having outer electronic configuration. So first part है NS2 NP4 for N is equal to 3. So let's take the first question. It is here NS2 NP4 for N is equal to 3. So can we write it like this? N is equal to 3 means 3S2 3P4. Now this is the outer electronic configuration of the given element. We don't know what is the atomic number, but still we can be able to find the position in the periodic table. So first we will start with the period. So as I told you earlier, what is the formula or what is the trick to find the period? It is the highest energy level. We can say highest energy level, or we can say quantum number n, that is also same thing. So here n is equal to 3 and this is our highest energy level for this given element. So period will be third. So determining the period is the easiest thing in this type of problems. Second thing is the group. But before determining the group, we need to find the block of that element. So for block, what we will do? Block, finding a block, it means we will search the last falling electron. The last coming electron goes to the p orbital, because 3s and 3p, which is higher in energy, 3p orbital is higher in energy, so the last coming of electron will come into 3p. So our block will be the p block. So we can write it here, block is equal to the orbital in which the last electron falls. So our last electron falls in p orbital, so the block of this element is p block. Now come to the group. To determine a group, we need the block. So for p block, elements, the formula for determining the group is ns electrons plus np electrons plus 10. This is the number of electrons. So here ns means 3s. 3s में how many electrons we have? 3s having 2 electrons. Now 3p having 4 electrons. As we can see here, 3s having 2 electrons, 3p having 4 electrons. Plus 10. So what is the number? 10 plus 4, 14 plus 2, 16. So we can say our element belongs to 16th group. So the given element is from P block, third period and 16th group. This is the exact and correct location of the given element. Now we get the position. Now the next question is atomic number also we need to find. So how to find? So for this is the last, or we can say outer electronic configuration. So it means before this means first shell and second shell is also fully completely filled. So we can write it. So we can get the atomic number. We can write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 3s2 and 3p4 as given in the question. So now let's count the number of electrons over here. 6 plus 2 plus 2, 10 plus 4, 14 plus 2, 16. Here it is 16 electrons. So 16 electrons means the number of protons also will be 16. 16, we can write like this, electrons, 16 protons, or we can say number of proton is our atomic number, Z in bracket, atomic number. So the given outer electronic configuration belongs to the atomic number 16. This is the solution of the given question number 1. Now come to the question number 2. Again in the same process. First we will write the question over here is n minus 1 d having 2 electrons and s having 2 electrons for n is equal to 4. So first we will write in the terms of numbers 4. So n minus, here n minus 1 is equal to 4 minus 1. It means we can write 3d2 and n means 4, 4s2. This is the given configuration for this question. Now from this outer electronic configuration, first of all we get the period. Period is equal to n as I told you earlier. So n is equal to here 4. Why we are not taking 3 and we are taking 4? It means period is the number of the highest energy level in which the electron falls. So in this given case, the highest energy level is 4. So the period will be the 4th period. Now come to the next portion. We will guess the block. For block, what we are going to search? The last coming electron. The block is equal to orbital in which the last electron. So now see, look carefully where the last electron falls, in d orbital or s orbital. This is bit tricky. As we know, the s orbital, 4s orbital has lower in energy than the 3d orbital, or we can say in other words 3d orbital is a higher energy level than the 4s. So first the electron will fill in the 4s orbital. After that, the rest of the electron will go to the 3d orbital. That is, the last electron will go to the d orbital. That's why our block will be the d block. The element belongs to d block. Now, come to the group. For D block elements. The group is Ns electrons plus N minus 1 D electrons. This is the formula. So Ns means 4s. Here 4s having 2 electrons. We can write it here 2 plus N minus 1 means 3D. 3D having how many electrons? Again 2 electrons. We can write it here 2 electrons. Now add up 4. So we can say our element belongs to 4th group. Let's close it in the box. The element, given element, we can get the position. It is from D block, 4th period and 4th group. This is the position of the given element N-1 D2 NS2 for N is equal to 4. Now the second point is atomic number. How we will get the atomic number? For this, we can say this outer electronic configuration, we will write the full electronic configuration with the help of this outer electronic configuration. How? So we need to go to till 4. Before that means 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, something like that. All will be fully filled. So let's write. We will write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, now 3p6, then 4s, how many electrons? 2, and then 3d, again 2. This is the configuration given in the question. So before that all the shells are fully filled. Now count the number of electrons. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 22. Here there are 22 electrons. It means 22 protons, or we can say number of proton is our atomic number. Correct? Atomic number. So by writing the full configuration, electronic configuration, we will get the atomic number of the given element. So now probably without hesitation we can say the given configuration is the element having atomic number 22 and it belongs to D block, 4th period and 4th group. This is our full solution of this problem. Hope you guys understand this, and if you have any doubt in any step, you can ask me. And if you want me to make some new videos from particular specific question or specific topic, feel free to comment in the comment box. Thank you.